Welcome back to our channel. Today we will take a culinary journey. Today we're crafting a delightful creamy kale and ricotta. This dish is not just delicious, but also healthy and surprisingly easy to prepare for any home cook. We will create a very beautiful method of culinary arts. You'll learn preparation tips, ingredient variations, and perfect serving suggestions to impress your guests. Our star ingredients begin with fresh, vibrant organic kale, packed with nutrients and flavor. Then rich, creamy ricotta cheese, providing that irresistible smooth texture to our sauce. Now that is magic and refresher for the soul and mind and body, a wonderful mix of wonderful, delightful taste of love. Aromatic minced organic garlic and turmeric and black pepper with a hint of chili flakes add a wonderful, subtle kick. 1 large white onion chopped fine. Creamed kale is a rich, hearty, none-to-creamed spinach that uses sturdy kale leaves to hold up better against thick sauces. While many recipes use a heavy cream reduction, others rely on a roux or even cream cheese for extra thickness. High-quality olive oil and fresh organic lemon brighten every bite, enhancing the overall flavor. Grated Parmesan cheese brings a salty, umami depth, a classic touch to any pasta. And a touch of turmeric, for its vibrant color and incredible health benefits. Finally, nutmeg, salt, and black pepper to perfectly season our creation, balancing all the flavors. First, a crucial tip. Massage your raw kale with a drizzle of olive oil and a squeeze of lemon juice. This simple step breaks down tough fibers, making it tender and more palatable for cooking. Turmeric, a golden orange spice, is celebrated for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. A staple in ancient Indian and Southeast Asian cuisines, modern science now explores its vast health potential. Another key tip: always squeeze cooked kale in a clean kitchen towel to remove excess water. This prevents your dish from becoming soggy, ensuring a perfect, consistent texture every time. Before we begin cooking, gather all your tools and ingredients for a smooth, efficient process. Step 1. Heat olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat until it shimmers gently. Add minced garlic, white onion, and chili flakes, sautéing until fragrant, about 30 seconds. Now add your chopped kale, cooking until it's beautifully wilted and tender. This usually takes just 3 to 5 minutes, transforming its texture and color. Step 2. Reduce the heat to low and stir in fresh ricotta cheese. Incorporate lemon zest and a pinch of nutmeg for a burst of fresh, aromatic flavor. Mix gently until the sauce becomes wonderfully creamy and smooth, coating the kale. Season to taste with salt and freshly ground black pepper, adjusting to your preference. Finally, add turmeric until the sauce achieves a bright, inviting orange color. Step 3. Add directly into the creamy kale and ricotta sauce. Low heat is the key to very tasty dish. To develop your family special dish, add your own wonderful additives. Remember that love is the main absolutely crucial ingredient, you know. It truly makes all the difference. Toss thoroughly, ensuring every strand of kale is evenly coated with the rich sauce. Yummy and bright, this dish will be a staple in your holiday dishes and weekend quick treat. Look at that perfect coating. Our creamy kale and ricotta is almost ready. Careful, lower the heat until simmer slows. Cover with a tight lid and let stand for 12 minutes. Now let's explore some delicious variations to customize your kale dish. Add some of your favorite spices like lemon pepper or thyme. For extra brightness, add more lemon zest. For heat, extra red pepper flakes. For crunch, toasted pine nuts. Boost your meal with protein additions like grilled chicken, sautéed shrimp, or hearty white beans. Experiment with cheese alternatives. Ricotta salata for a firmer texture, or a blend of Parmesan and Pecorino Romano. You can also swap kale for other greens like spinach or Swiss chard, or add roasted vegetables. Serve your kale in a bowl, garnished with a generous sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese. Finish with fresh herbs like parsley or basil for an extra touch of freshness and aroma. Here it is, the finished masterpiece, emphasizing its creamy texture, vibrant colors, and inviting aroma. This recipe is truly a testament to how delicious and easy healthy eating can be. Many happy holidays and wonderful memories are the direct outcome of this creation. We encourage you to try this recipe at home and share your wonderful creations with us.